And I'm excited to show you guys rtrvr.ai. Retriever is a universal web agent that can do tasks autonomously and extract structured data. We have built in an amazing functionalities such as deep crawling for nested items in pages and directories, such as PDFs in this directory. We have support for function calling, where we can use LLMs to construct functions to execute in a sandbox, such as here an alert of the latest headline, or it could be sending to Slack a summary of the page. And we have built-in data visualization, such as you can, with just natural language, render graphs of content you see, of data you see on the page, like this table US populations. So we can deep dive into some our autonomous task functionality. So in this case, we can ask Retriever to find our LinkedIn page and follow our profile. And our extension would natively interact with the web page. For example, click entering our company in the search field and find our listing and click follow, and come to our page and click follow, for example. We also support extracting out information from like directories or Amazon listings. So we can, for example, for every invoice you see here, like find the order name, total, and that would involve opening up all these PDFs. So which could be, we support local as well as on the web PDFs, and we can extract the content from these PDFs to the like Google Sheet. And yeah, so, and we could confirm that the information is total as well very easily. So we can also extract out like from pages directly using our export functionality. And going into our next feature, we also support like doing actions across tabs. So for example, you could have a PDF tab as selected on one you select a PDF tab as well as like a LinkedIn job application tab or a careers tab, and fill out a job application with your profile. Or you could imagine a lot of different scenarios where it'll be useful to do cross-tab contextual actions. And you can auto compare different products you selected here, as well as extract all the different tabs to Google Sheets directly. We also support Sheets workflows, where you can give a sheet of like URLs and the information you want. And it could be like, they could all be different domains, for example, all the different banks, and extract out all your desired information. And we don't have access to your accounts, but you can give us permission to files on your Google Drive using Google Sheets, and we could use that to export the data to. So you get a limited amount of credits, and we highly encourage everyone to try out our subscription at $9.99 a month, and you'll get then 1,000 credits a month to use and automate your business cases, your personal or business cases. And yeah, so diving into the other functionality, you can see like previous actions and rerun those tasks, or compose multi-step workflows here. And with those multi-step workflows, you could create a schedule and which would execute these tasks in on a cron schedule. So even if as long as your Chrome browser is open, you could a Retriever would schedule these events and extract those information in the background for you, and notify you when it's successful and done. And yeah, so we have an amazing feature for function calling, where you could invoke function calls yourself just by typing @ and clicking like function and like hard coding the message. Or you could just with natural language try to get the LLM to construct this message parameter, so that this function will be invoked, and you don't have to construct it yourself. And yeah. So these are some amazing functionalities, and we also have functionality for doing recording for very complex tasks, like maybe searching for LinkedIn company and extracting profiles. And for more complex scenarios, you could record it and add it to the context of your action, and or like have a Google Sheet as context too. and you could attach files, screenshot your current browser, or disable if you just want to interact with the files that you've uploaded, disable the web content as part of your actions. So yeah, these are some of the amazing functionalities we have. Some tips is to do it on a guest profile, because you don't maybe it will go out and do a purchase, and so if you can try to limit and sandbox it that way. And whenever you install, we highly recommend to give pin to the toolbar, as well as give access to local files, so that you could take full advantage of our functionality, and you could directly invoke it by typing seek, and that would trigger retriever search, that seek action on the current page, or you can right click to chat with retriever as well. So excited to see all the use cases that you guys will use, and thanks for trying out retriever.